Hello students, in this video we are going to see geometric mean. The short form is GM. In exam, the problem they always ask calculate GM for the following data. Okay, so GM is nothing but geometric mean. Okay, in measure of central tendency we already done three concepts. One is mean, that is arithmetic mean, and median and mode. Okay, now the fourth one is geometric mean. So first we see the definition. So GM is defined as the nth root of the product of the n values in the given data. That is n values means n items. Okay. Instead of writing this, we can write shortly. That is GM is nothing but nth root. Nth root means you write here n. Nth root of product of n data. That is n values. That means x1 is one value. Put dot and x2 dot x3 dot, it goes like the last value is xn. So product of the n values, after that you take nth root. So this is a definition for geometric mean. Okay, in definition they ask define geometric mean means you write this one. Okay, now you see the problem, and this one for only definition only. In problem individual discrete continuous series we have different formula we are going to use. Okay, just you copy this one. Let's see the problem. Okay, first you see the individual series problem. Okay, and already told in each problem we have three cases. One, the data is the form individual series, and discrete last one is continuous series. Okay, now first you see individual series. Okay, individual series means you know only x value only they given. Okay, no frequency. Okay, that is called individual series. Here for GM, what formula you apply? GM is nothing but anti-log of summation log x by small n. Small n means number of data. Okay, this is the formula you applied. Okay, GM equal to anti-log of summation log x by n. Okay, so here logarithm concept you know. So how to find logarithm in the problem you use scientific calculator. Okay, I will teach you how to find log. Now come to the problem. This is a question. Calculate GM for the following data. Okay, so they given x values only. So the individual series now only x value, no frequency here. Okay, in 5 mark most of time on the GM and HM, both the concept they will ask the problem in 5 mark question. Okay, concentrate with this problem. Calculate GM. GM is nothing but geometric mean. So they ask only GM only. This is a problem. The given value is nothing but x. So you write x column. So what's the value given? 11, 13, 18, 23, and last one is 29. Okay, how many values is given? 5 values. Now you find log. Formula is nothing but summation log x. No, so we need log x value. Okay, they given x. For this value find log. Okay, now you see how to find log. See, this is a scientific calculator. Okay, in this calculator, so first you find log 11. So what do you do? Put logarithm button and 11. Okay, your logarithm button, just put type this log, and we need for value for 11. No, so log 11 is equal to what will get 1.04. We have lot of value after point. You take after decimal 4 values enough. Okay, that means 1.0413. The fifth value is 9. No, the fifth value is more than 5 means you add here one value. That means if you add here means becomes 4. See, after point 0413, the fifth value is more than 5. 5 or more than just leave it the remaining number. In the fourth number you add one values. Okay, that means your fourth number is 3. If you add 1 means it becomes 4. Okay, so 11 logarithm is nothing but 1.04. So likewise find logarithm of log of 13. Next is 13. 13 is equal to 1.1139. The fifth value is below 5. So just leave it. You write 39 alone. Okay, that means 1.1139. So likewise you find the logarithm value. Okay, so using calculator, normal scientific calculator, you can do this. Remaining one I will write. Similarly, log 18. Log 18 is nothing but 1.2552. Now log 23. Log 23, 1.3617. Likewise, log 29, 1.4624. Okay. So now what do? You add this all values. That is our summation log x. Summation now add. This symbol summation represent add the value. Okay. Just to sum of all the values. That means summation. If you add all this value, we get 6.2346. Just to check it, add this all total, we get 6.2347. Okay. After decimal one, then if one more years, if you suppose 89 is no problem. The 2 digit is very important. Okay, you write this. Now come to the formula. This is enough. In individual, you find logarithm or log column for all the x values. Just add the value. Now you know the formula. Gm equal to, what's the formula? Antilog. So antilog summation log x by small n. Okay. Now antilog of log x value was 6.2347 divided by n. N means how many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. So now what do you do? Again you write antilog. Now divide this. So if we dividing this thing, we get 1.2469. Okay. Now for this value find antilog. I will teach you how to find antilog. There is nothing but, see, in the calculator, in the logarithm, no, we first type shift then log. Again I repeat, first you type shift then log, will get like 10 symbol. After that you type this value 1.2469. so 1.2469. now type equal to, we get 17.6563. 17.6563. so you write 2 digits enough here, last answer. So 17.66. 17.656, no, write 66. After decimal, one value is right now is enough. So here no need write 4 values. After decimal, the answer you write 2 values enough. Okay. So this is your answer. Okay. So in individual series, mainly 5 mark they will ask the problem. You do this. Okay. Let's see one more problem. Second problem. Calculate GM for the following data. So already told this is an individual series. So here they given integer is this value is nothing but x value. So you know how to find logarithm for this thing. So scientific calculus only we can do log this. Okay. Normal calculus also we can do, but I will teach you later. Scientific is very easy. You do it. So log for each value, you know how to find. Just writing directly the values. Log 21 equal to 1.3222. Next log 32. So log 32 is nothing but 1.5051, and log 45 equal to 1.6532. Log 58 is nothing but 1.7634. Now log 69 1.8388. The last one log 72 1.8573. Okay. Now you know the total of log x, that is summation log x. Nothing but add this all the value. If you add all values, we get 9.94. Check the values. Now come to the formula. Gm equal to, you know, anti-log of summation log x by small n. Okay, that means anti-log. So this is nothing but 9.94 divided by n. How many values? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 values. 6 data is given. Okay, by 6. Now you divide this value. Anti-log of, you divide. If you divide this, we get 1.6567. Check it. Now for this you find anti-log. So anti-log, you know that shift to log button press பண்ணுங்க first. Shift to log. After that you type these values. Shift to log press பண்ணி இந்த type பண்ணிட்டு equal போட்டிங்கன்னா we get 45.35359. So you write 359. So this is nothing but 45.3. You add here more than 5, no, just leave it. You add here 136. So this is our GM. Okay. So this is an individual series problem. I hope you understand this the whole concept. If you have doubt means you ask in comment box. I will teach you later. Okay. Thank you, student.